Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. I'm just going to the Laser. We're doing a shave test today for another Durham Duplex razor. The sort we're using today is a Pro Raso Red. I might add that before I start applying any soap, I used to soften. There's about a week's growth beard here, so it needs to be softened with the old-fashioned way with hot towels or a thick flannel. And that way you get the best out of your soap. There we go, that'll do. So this Durham Duplex comes with its own little travel case. There we are. The Durham Duplex. It's in reasonable condition. A bit tatty around the edges, but I mean, it's going back to 1940s this, 1930s, so it's bound to get a little bit moth-eaten around the edges. It's got the original instructions, which you can see are in two halves over time. Original razor with a blade in, and in this little packet here 5 unused spare blades, so that would last quite some time, and you can buy them still online. So I'm just going to lift this fella out of his box, and you've probably seen these before, but I'll show you the example. The blade just slides out. And these are like locking nuts, if you like. So you just slide it out that way, and then the blade just pops out. Nice and easy. Handle's made out of plastic. The thing I like about these, I've always been a bit iffy. But the great thing about them is if you want to get into straight razors, but you want to cut the risk down of making a mistake because you got the angle wrong, then these are a great way to practice. This double safety comb really protects your skin. And you can be quite clumsy, for want of a better word. Well, it's getting rid of a week old beard, no problem. I have one of these in my rotation. I use occasionally. They're great for travelling because you know, sometimes you'll be short on time. And you want to vacate your hotel. As quickly as possible. Then you can have a quick shave of these in the morning. You don't have to worry about stropping the razor either. And on eBay you can actually buy an attachment for the Durham Duplex. And you just take the comb off, add the attachment, and then you've got a straight razor. So you got the best of both worlds. As I said before, it's quite a forgiving razor. And it's fast. I'm a little gouty today because I've got a nick there. I nicked myself last weekend. It's not quite healed up properly yet. There we go. Very nice little razor. Very compact, great for travelling. And it's relatively inexpensive if you compare it to some really good quality straight razors. So there we have it, the traditional Durham Duplex. Also, just a thought, this is great for you ladies who want to try a straight razor but not got the confidence just yet. This is great for shaving any areas of the body, not just your face. Okay, that's a conclusion with that little razor. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you beginning of next week because I've got a very interesting razor. It's an 8-day set. I've never seen an 8-day set before. I always thought there was only 7 days in a week, but there you go. So a very unusual razor set. Okay, have a good weekend. Thanks very much for watching. Catch up soon. Bye.